Boomhauer69 here. From time to time, when I go out to thrift stores and different things, and secondhand stores and stuff, places that sell used stuff and things, one of the things I like to look at is and pick up from time to time is old vintage DIY books like these right here, kind of old vintage craft books. I think it would be neat to sometime try my hand at some of the little projects in these books because I like looking at these books and seeing the different types of little projects and stuff. I'm not much of a book reader kind of guy, but if I'm gonna look at like a book or something, I prefer looking at these kind of DIY craft books and stuff, and that's one of the things I thought maybe possibly on my YouTube channel doing sometime is maybe getting some of these books and trying my hand at building some of these craft projects and filming myself trying to build them, either successfully building them or simply failing at building them or whatever. But that's just some kind of ideas I think about for my YouTube channel as what kind of videos to do, and I thought maybe doing some DIY kind of build projects might be kind of a fun thing to do.